Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super neat, some storage containers. These are great because they're stackable, they lock right in, or slide it forward, lifts right up. Slide it back, locked in again. You can put all your gear in there. Let's say that these aren't big enough, which, they are pretty darn big. Look at these bad boys. What can you fit in these? I can think of all sorts of things. These are really neat because they stack together, like I said, and they also come with these. What these are is you can screw these right to your pegboard or to your wall or whatever you want to screw them to, essentially. You got your little screw holes there. And the way that they work, along the back side, you've got a little lip, slides right on. See if I can get it on there. There we are. Once this is screwed to the wall, it's going to be extremely sturdy, right? It's going to be nice and tight. We'll grab one of these blues. We'll give that one a try on here too, just to show you what it looks like. Let's go right on the same one. Why not? And that's great, because once you have this put on the wall, let's say you have, all these going across, you can just connect them all together if you wanted to, or you can make your own run. Put them all going across, right? Or if you want to just put them all going straight up, you can do that too. Put it right in here, bonk. Set the whole thing up, going straight up and down your wall if you want. You do you, boo-boo. However you want to do it, we give you anything that you might need to get it set up, okay? We got plenty of these. You get one, and you get one, and everybody gets one. Or just me. Maybe I just get one, right? These are super nice because you can put all your gear in them, like I said. You got miscellaneous parts, you got miscellaneous tools, nuts, bolts, I don't know, whatever you got laying around. Clean up that area that, your special significant other keeps telling you to clean up your mess. There you go. Put it all right in these nice little storage units, and off you go. And you can get these or any other tool, part, or accessory at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.